Welcome to Review Ranks. Today, we'll be exploring the best folding electric bikes, aiming to help you find the perfect one to suit your needs. Folding electric bikes have gained immense popularity due to their versatility, convenience, and efficiency. Let's dive into the world of folding electric bikes and discover what makes them a fantastic choice for many riders. Folding electric bikes are designed to fold down into a compact size, making them easy to carry and store in small spaces like apartments, offices, or even on public transportation. They combine the benefits of electric bikes with the added convenience of being foldable for easy storage and transportation. Their versatility is one of their key advantages. Perfect for daily commuting, leisure rides, and even outdoor adventures like camping, hiking, or sightseeing, these bikes are adaptable to various lifestyles. The electric motor and battery system provide excellent power and efficiency, allowing riders to cover long distances without feeling fatigued. The convenience of folding electric bikes is hard to beat. With a simple folding mechanism, they can be compacted within seconds, resembling a suitcase. This makes them ideal for urban living, easily fitting into small apartments or office spaces. They are also a practical choice for public transportation, as they can be easily carried onto buses, trains, or subways without causing inconvenience to fellow passengers. Besides convenience, folding electric bikes are environmentally friendly and cost-efficient. They use rechargeable batteries that can be easily charged using standard electrical outlets, eliminating the need for gas and reducing carbon emissions. Plus, they require less maintenance compared to traditional bikes, saving you money on repairs and replacements. When choosing a folding electric bike, consider factors such as the motor and battery system, frame and suspension, weight, tire size and type, brakes, and gearing system. Finding a comfortable, reliable, and high-performing bike that suits your specific needs and terrain preferences is essential. Now, let's take a closer look at 3 top-rated folding electric bikes. 1. The UNBike 1400 Jakar is a powerhouse designed for off-road adventures. With a robust 1000 mu motor, it can reach speeds of up to 55 km/h and cover distances of up to 70 km on a single charge. The sturdy frame, front and rear suspension systems, and knobby tires provide excellent traction on any terrain. Plus, its hydraulic disc brake system ensures quick and safe stops, making it perfect for thrill seekers who love rough terrains. 2. For those who prefer urban elegance, the UNBike 1400 Dakar is the ideal choice. It offers the same powerful 1000 mu motor and impressive 70 km range on a single charge, but with a sleek, modern design. The comfortable seat and suspension system provide a smooth ride on bumpy roads, while the hydraulic disc brakes ensure safe stops. The Buck 1400 Dakar effortlessly combines performance with style and comfort. 3. If city commuting and leisure rides are your focus, the UNBike 1200U Ride Texas has you covered. Its 350 motor can reach speeds of up to 25 km/h with a range of up to 60 km on a single charge. Its lightweight and foldable design make it easy to carry and store, and front and rear lights add safety for nighttime riding. The Buck 1200U Ride Texas is the perfect eco-friendly solution for daily commutes and leisurely journeys. In summary, folding electric bikes offer the ultimate combination of convenience, versatility, and eco-friendliness. Whether you seek a thrilling off-road adventure or a comfortable city commute, folding electric bikes provide a comfortable and efficient ride. So, choose the one that suits your needs best, prioritize safety, and follow local regulations when riding. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to keep exploring, stay active, and have fun with your folding electric bike. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you could take a moment to hit that subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up by hitting the like button if you found it helpful. Your support really means a lot to me, and it helps me create more valuable content like this in the future.